Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix common Binance login problem. I just tap on my account and log in and just you can sign up with your Google or Apple. I will just tab my manually email address, and when I was tab on next and it will be asking me a passkey, I will just tab on this continue. So you can also use another method to log in. I will just tab on this password and put my password accurately on this box. So when I was done my password, I will just simple tab on this next button. So after next, it will be take some time for login, and sometimes it's ask for Google Authenticator app. I will just tab on Google Authenticator app and copy the Binance code of 6 digit and just tap to paste it here, and after just tap to next, and it will be logged in easily. And if you are not able to log in, you will just tab on the home page and just check your application has been updated in your app store on iOS. So in app store, you will just tab on the search bar Binance and check if it has an update. You will just tab on the update button and make your app version is latest. Sometimes you may update and your login problem will be solved. And sometimes will be another problem of login. So if you are having trouble in Binance login, so double check your email and password for accuracy. Ensure your two-factor authentication to FA code is 100% correct and your device time is accurate. If locked out due to several attempts, wait a few minutes before trying again or contact support. If you can't resolve your problem, so you can just contact on directly Binance helpline. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.